Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a hot topic. Can you withdraw money from Cryptomania in 2025? If you've been using the Cryptomania app and wondering whether you can cash out your earnings, this video will clear everything up. Before we get into any steps, let's address something crucial. There's a lot of confusion about Cryptomania's legitimacy. Some users have trouble withdrawing funds and naturally start questioning the app. Here's the truth. Cryptomania is a simulator app. It doesn't handle real money, and any earnings you see inside the app cannot be converted into cash. Think of Cryptomania like a demo account in the world of finance. It gives you virtual funds to practice cryptocurrency trading without risking a single dollar of your own. The app is designed purely for educational purposes, letting you explore market trends, test trading strategies, and learn how cryptocurrencies work, all in a risk-free environment. So, if you open the Cryptomania app on your device, you'll find a range of simulated trading features. You can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies virtually, but remember, all funds are virtual. There's no way to withdraw or exchange them for real money. Anyone claiming otherwise is simply not telling the truth. The bottom line, use Cryptomania to learn, experiment, and improve your trading skills. Don't expect real cash withdrawals, but do take advantage of the app to build your knowledge and confidence in crypto trading. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips, tutorials, and updates on cryptocurrency and trading apps. Stay smart, stay safe, and happy trading.